Excel formulae for basic statistics. In just a few steps, you will be up and running with building formulas and functions in Excel. So Statistics is launching a series for basic Excel formulas for statistics, and it consists of 7 small video clips. The first video clip consists of descriptive statistics functions, which includes sum to calculate total of values, mean for minimum value, max for maximum value, average to calculate the mean of the dataset, median to get the middle value, and mode to get the most frequent value from the given dataset. The second part consists of variability and dispersion functions. Here it includes var p to calculate population variance, stdev p for population standard deviation, dev sq for sum of square deviations, and sum sq for sum of squares. The third one is for relationship and regression functions. It consists of correl. It helps to calculate the correlation coefficient, slope to calculate the regression slope, that is the regression coefficient, intercept to calculate the regression constant or regression intercept. Fourth clip is on counting and conditional functions, where it includes count to count numeric values, countif, it counts with condition, count blank, it counts the number of empty cells, and sumif for conditional summation. The fifth clip includes ranking and ordering functions, which includes rank for ranking values, large for nth largest value, small for nth smallest value. The sixth part includes logical functions, if for conditional output, true and false for logical constants, and when all conditions are true, or when any condition is true and not when logical reversal is required. The seventh part is on random number generation, which includes rand to generate the random numbers between 0 and 1, and rand between to generate the random integers in their given range. So all these video clips will include the use cases of the Excel formula and also the example. So please go through that. The applications of it are research data analysis, experimental data processing, regression and correlation studies, agricultural and biological sciences, economics and social sciences. So to learn the basic statistics formula easily and in simple language and with short video clips, please follow this series. Thank you. Please follow Statistics on YouTube and LinkedIn. Thank you.